PNP and enemy of the state or what? Uno go protect Keep Rich when him say no? Uno go protect Ayactine when him say no, him not do the dub? Uno go stop bad man from lick them in them face? Talk to me.
When you hear that, my viewers, so Footer Hype, I talk about the situation between Ayactine and Keep Rich. And he must say Ayactine and Keep Rich did Affi do the dub. Cause if them never do it, Tickman Warrior them would have see them a road and lick them in them face. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going, my people. Top Killa Diamond a bus drive by in a Denham town and go crash and squaddy them pronounce him. Plus, police them charge Imani Linda for 14-year-old Price Johnson murder. But Price Johnson mother say, I know Imani. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make you know what I want, you pre this.
Being charged has nothing to do with Price's death.
I'm on in a trouble, Price. I'm on in a trouble in her. No time at all. I'm on in that them stores a person. So people just attack things because them just want to blame other people. I'm on in a trouble. No time. If I'm on in the trouble or anything, I tell the police them says I'm on.
When you hear that, my viewers, how really I go on? Me could talk about that one, you know. The police them charge 38-year-old Imani Linda of a Crescent Road address. Say him murder 14-year-old Price Johnson. And now, we just hear Price Johnson mother say, Imani didn't have nothing to do with Price Johnson murder. How I go on, my people? Eh? All type of story about out, you know. First it was 16-year-old, then a 19-year-old, now Imani a 38-year-old. First it was mistaking of identity. Now, see Imani and me a tell you my people. So what really a go on? Me tell you know, so the people them in the community, you know, them know where I go on, you know. And the ghetto will always be the ghetto, you know. If another madman you do it, my people, then I who do it? Eh? Yes, see them I tell you no, say I never him, you know. And now, see it ya, the mother, I say it out her own mouth, you know. Says not Imani, you know. Then I owe my people. Eh? That case is confusing. Me nah lie. And the real murderer could have died right now. Or they in the same community right now and I watch everybody I get blame. And just sit down and I laugh so. And say him get to a scotch free though. So see me and my people. Other man ya squaddy them fling the charge pan for 14-year-old Price Johnson. And me know no just hear Price Johnson mother say. And never Imani. Then I who dirt her then. So my viewers, you know walk with me now. I'm gonna make you listen to that video here. Where Footer Hype say, who did I go protect Keep Rich and Ayactine if them never do the dub for Tickman? The system did I go protect them when gunman I go see them a road and lick them in a them face? So now listen to this, my people.
Now Keep Rich do our next song for the man. Who no want pre them now? How? What kind of work Keep Rich do? Keep Rich a musician. What kind of work Actine do? Musician. Let me ask you something now. When Tickman dead, and them sent to Keep Rich for do one dub, and them sent to Actine for do one dub, they feed them done with dead. Zin, whether them want to be labor right or PNP or enemy of the state or what? You know go protect Keep Rich when him say no? You know go protect Ayactine when him say no, him not do the dub? You know go stop bad man from lick them in them face? Talk to me. You know stop gunman from shoot them in them belly? You know do one Actine and Keep Rich say them now do no dub for Tickman. And you know feel good and then Keep Rich and Actine can't walk a road.
When you hear that, my viewers, so what you think about this? The man them a go on like say dance and general a god. And where Footer Hype a talk about, when artists do dub plate for PNP or labor right, artists can't talk about Andrew for dead. Artists now go sing about Marky G a waste man. Them just a go do a regular dub plate like on the ear pan a regular sound system. Them now go push no bag of badness tonight when them a do government dub plate. So Footer Hype, who no give dance and general too much ratings boy. Where you tell me say, if Ayactine never sing the dub, and if Keep Rich never do the dub, one other man them would have violate them a road, see them a road and box them up, and kick them in a them face, and say them go against them harder, cause them no want do no dub plate for thick man. And that you tell me say, my viewers, no for uno, give the dance and the general them too much hype, boy. Yeah. You think no Dan and no general can program me? You know much time I run with dance and general and tell them say if you move from here so, anything uno can do, me can do too. If uno can get 100 crash dummy, me can get 22. If uno can go rent 3 car, me can rent 1 2. Cause a money run, boy, yeah. And no chattings. So as I say, my people, what you think about that way footer hype I say? You think the man them would have violate keep rich and acting if them never do the dub for true? Or footer hype does a cap? Eh? What you think, my people? And walk with me now. See me, Diamond, we murder Kevin Walker from out of Vineyard Town just for 800,000. And look here, karma forward back real quick though. Go now look at history about Diamond. Him used to there Denham Town and run up and down with all iron till him switch, run we gonna Anna Town. And the night there when him marrow get splash out, a drive by him did I make, you know, a step him did I make, you know, in a Denham Town, you know, if you go shoot up the place, you know, and see it there, car crash, him get a 9 ball in him head, couple of him friend them pick up some, who no run out a car, squaddy wall lamp on them, till see it you know, what me say, karma forward back real quick, when murder Kevin Walker, over him things brother, over 800,000. You see how the youth them bad mind, boy, yeah? You see the youth them now want go look na work, boy, yeah? And how long the 800,000 last? Cause it no last long, you know. Most of them look a sprat when them a go on mission and a rob people thing, you know. When them bring back that, you know, that have to share up with the general, you know, and how much money, you know. So see me, my people, Diamond, squaddy them pronounce him in a Denham Town. After him a make jive by, him and him friend them murder Kevin Walker from out of Vineyard Town. Just because them bad mind the man me I tell you no, and them no want go work when everybody have the same 24-hour boy, yeah. Ghetto youth, a slap we season, you know. Kevin Blake na ramp with no man, you know. So you can stay there, make man use you know, and push all iron in on hand and tell you no about if you go make step. And when you're dead, you and your family them alone if you go face the burden. And your mother alone if you go pick up the pieces and find money for bury you. So see me and my people, swear say film day never ever go come though. Run up and down though. Murder Kevin Walker for nothing though. As what me always tell you know, a dead house or a jail house. I don't feel like you not go take people life a road and nobody not go soon and take back phone life. No sanky no sing so. So my people, until next time.